What's going on, folks? I'm about to show you how you'll be changing out your headlights on a Dodge Challenger. It's probably the same from about the 2014 all the way up to about the 2019. The first thing you're going to want to do, say for example you want to change out your headlights on your passenger side, you'll have like this little plastic piece right here that kind of pretty easy to take off. You just come over here to this middle part first. As you can see where I'm at, yeah, if you come right here to this middle part, kind of want to take your hand and kind of push it in like that, and that'll pop up. Then once you've done that, you kind of want to come over all the way to the other side and just kind of pull it out like that. And once you have that out, this is doing the passenger side. All right, folks, so once you got the plastic piece off of it, then you'll come back here as a lid. You just kind of want to turn it like that, and your lid will come off. And once you have this lid off, you want to set it to the side. And once you do that, you kind of want to reach inside the opening. You want to turn the bulb down, and once you do that, you kind of want to pull it out. And you can look right here, you'll see this is your bulb right here. And once you have that bulb out, you just kind of want to pop back on that. You see this clip, kind of make sure you don't touch your bulb, especially your new bulb, else it can make them go out. And this right here is your bulb. You can get a look at it so you can see which bulb you're going to need. It looks just like that. Like I said, and once you have that done, you take your new bulb. Like I said, try not to touch on the bulb itself, because it can make the life of your bulb be a lot shorter if you get like greases and stuff like that on it. And once you get that, you want to take your plug in, just like that. It's like a little notch on the back of it. Plug it in, just like that. Then you want to go ahead and take your bulb and stick it back in the hole. So yeah, once you turn it, you want to turn it the opposite way of what you took it out. And once you do that, you should have your bulb back in. You want to go ahead and put your dust cover back on, and you should be done. Alright folks, once again, that's how you would change out your headlights on a Dodge Challenger. It should be the same for about the 2014 all the way up to the 2019. Alright, please check out our other helpful videos. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks.